Imagine this big, long field of corn that you see on the road. This is monoculture. This long, big place with only one crop. Let's say corn, let's say potatoes, like something, one particular crop. It fills an entire field and there is no biodiversity. How do you think that this turns out? If you look in nature, every single thriving ecosystem has a lot of biodiversity, doesn't it? It has tons of different plants, fruits, trees, vegetables, perennials, annuals, all sorts of different plants. Perennials, by the way, are things that grow on year after year, like a tree, a bush, these things, mainly fruits and nuts. And then you got annuals, and these are things that grow for one growing season. Let's say pumpkins, squash, beans, your legumes, right? Your vegetables. All of these things combined, with flowers, with normal trees, normal plants, all these things combined create a very thriving ecosystem, very good biodiversity, very good healthy soil, a lot of animals live there, bees are able to thrive and spread their nutrients and their pollen through the plants. But look back at this monoculture thing. There's no biodiversity. What animal is gonna make that its house? None, right? Because look and see a field right now. All of the stems are cut off of the corn, for example. And after a rainy day, it's just this big ass, like almost a river. It's almost become a lake after a rainy day. And that's because there's nothing to catch that water anymore, and it's because the soil is hella poor. And you're gonna eat that. You're gonna eat from a seed that's planted in this very poor, almost no nutrient left soil. They're gonna plant a seed in there. They're gonna grow some corn, some potatoes. They're gonna harvest that, and you're gonna put that in your mouth. Now, I don't blame you. It's not very easy to create, like just to harvest from some kind of food forest, but it's something to think about. Now, permaculture, on the other hand, is this thriving ecosystem. It is this biodiversity thing. But, of course, in a more farmy-like style, right? It's like mostly consistent of fruit bushes, legumes, fruit trees, nut trees, things that actually provide some kind of food, right? Like edible flowers, edible leaves, these things. And they combine all of this edible stuff into a place, maybe even keeping bees, and then boom, you got a thriving permaculture, thriving ecosystem, just like it is in nature. And these things will automatically taste so much better and have so much more nutrient in them because they're not grown in this poor soil where no animals can live. And that's the difference between monoculture and permaculture. Just think about that for a second. Alright? Till the next one. Mwah.